What's up YouTube? Today I'm working on 2012 Audi A6 with 3.0 supercharged engine, and I had an issue with the oil level. I had a message on my dash at 1/4 of oil. So after I changed the oil to make sure the oil level is fine, that message still was on the dash. And I did the procedure. The first thing to check after you do that, you need to make sure you have on your dash, that you see on your dash, that your hood, when you open the hood, it's showing that it's open. When you close the hood, it shows that it's closed. So you have to make sure that those sensors in the hood latch, they're working. If they're not working, you can disconnect these connectors and put some pin in there, and it's gonna be open position if you put the pin in there. If you just disconnect them, it's gonna be closed position. If you already did that and you still have that message, my thought was I have a bad oil level sensor. So I went and get an oil level sensor, replace it, did that procedure, and message still was there. And I need to I checked make sure the sensor getting power, there was power in there, and still had a message. So I checked the fuses on this side over there. I thought the fuses for the engines should be on the front. So after I check the front fuses, I start to check in fuses on the back. They under this panel, and one of them was bad, and there was 5 amp fuse. I put the 30 amp fuse for now because I don't have it, but it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's 2 5 amp fuses. One of them was bad. So guys, that was easy fix, but that wasn't easy fix for me, because you need to do first things first. Again, check the fuses, make sure they're all good, and you don't have to do all that stuff that I've done it here. So I hope that was helpful for you and save you some time and money. So please subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next episode.